Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Destiny 2 app not working, right? So basically, the first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the Play Store here, and after going to the Play Store, we will search Destiny, okay? Just search the Destiny 2 and after that you will get it, right? So for example, you have to type Destiny 2 here and here you will get it. So here in the place of play, you will get an option of update. So if you get an option of update the app right now. So after updating the app, this will fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to do one thing. You have to just go to the setting of your phone. After going to the setting of your phone, you have to scroll a little bit down and here you have to click on the app management, then on the app list, and in the app list basically it will take a few seconds just to load depending upon the apps which is present on your phone, right? So here we will wait for a very few seconds and after we have to find Destiny, okay? And just scroll a little bit down and here you can see Destiny 2 and just click on here and you have to click on the storage usage, then clear the cache. After clearing cache, this may fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to click on the clear data and basically clear will delete all the wasteful data that is present over your app, right? And this will fix your problem definitely. So if you found this video really useful and helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.